Imagine you're working on a coding problem and encounter a pesky issue with Gaussian elimination. The problem arises when you attempt to update a matrix during the elimination step, and things just don't seem to be updating as expected. You scratch your head in confusion as to why the matrix isn't getting properly modified. It's a classic case of a programming problem that needs solving. Moving on to the solution, the key lies in the data types being used. By defining the matrices A and B with the data type mp.float64, you ensure that floating point values are preserved. This prevents any inadvertent rounding off of values that might be occurring due to using integer arrays. So simply updating the code with A and B defined as mp.float64 types can resolve the issue at hand. In summary, the hiccup in the Gaussian elimination process was due to integer arrays being used, resulting in unintended rounding off of values. However, by adjusting the data types of the matrices A and B to mp.float64, the code functions as intended, preserving the decimal values during the computation. And there you have it, a simple fix to a seemingly perplexing problem. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Goodbye for now.